Hello students, how you all? Hope you are all doing well. I'm up with one more very much needed, exciting and important video today. I had promised you that I'm going to make a video on a topic called how to cover complete mathematics portion, NCERT mathematics portion in just 4 to 5 hours. Let us consider it to be between 5 and 6 hours, keeping in mind those students who have not at all started or who have finished only 1 or 2 lessons, who are becoming serious now because exams are near. Keeping them also in the mind, I will guarantee you, if you study the topics what I am talking about, if you study those topics, practice properly all the questions on those topics, you will be able to cover complete mathematics book in just 5 to 6 hours. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? You are not believing it, right? But believe me, this is possible. So no need to get scared or no need to overthink about why you have not finished the syllabus, what you are going to do. I'm there with you. I'm going to give you this blueprint with the help of which you will be able to finish whole mathematics book definitely in the stipulated time what you have. You have 1 month time approximately, but I am talking about whole mathematics book in just 5 to 6 hours. Right, let's begin the video. Give me thumbs up. So first of all, what you need to understand the structure of the syllabus, right? So like from which section how many marks are coming, which section I need to give importance, you will get to know from this structure of syllabus. So you have from number system, that is real numbers, 6 marks. Then from algebra you have 20 marks. Algebra is a huge marks giving section. Then we have coordinate geometry 6 marks. Then we have geometry 15 marks. Then we have trigonometry 12 marks, trigonometry 1 and trigonometry 2 applications I'm talking about. Then we have area related to circles, which will give you 10 marks. Then statistics and probability, very easy chapter. These two together are going to give you 11 marks. Can you imagine 11 marks from these two easy chapters? So that's all 80 marks. Promise yourself and promise to me also that you are not going to leave a single mark to CBSE board. You'll say every mark belong to me, man. Promise yourself this is possible. So students, first chapter, real numbers, 2 topics very much important. 1, you will practice the questions on HCF into LCM equal to product of numbers. On this relation, you will have 1 question and 1 more short question is proof of irrationality, like prove root 5, irrational root 3, irrational root 2, irrational such question. That's it, only these 2 topics. How many minutes you want, how much time you want 5 minutes, you want 8 minutes, maximum you can just take 10 minutes. 10 minutes this lesson will get over. Are you excited? Let's see which is the next chapter. So the second chapter is polynomials. What is important in polynomials? Topic 1, you need to understand how to form a quadratic polynomial using zeros. Then you need to understand how to find the zeros of the polynomial. Third point, you need to get to know how to verify relation between zeros and coefficients. That's it, 3 topics. Definitely finding zeros of the polynomial is most important among these 3 topics. You will hardly take 10 minutes to prepare this. 10 minutes is more than enough, students. Listen to me, just 10 minutes. So 20 minutes, 2 lessons. Crazy? Are you going crazy? And your confidence will get boosted like anything. Let's see third lesson. So the third lesson, pair of linear equations. What you need to study? First of all, short question on a graph. Definitely very easy to draw a graph, right? Number 2, you need to practice the questions on those 3 conditions which will talk about unique solution, no solution, many solution, or in another way we can say consistency and inconsistency. Then you will study third topic, which is solving a linear equation, solving a pair of linear equation using elimination method and substitution method. The good news is no cross multiplication method, so don't worry. How much time you want? Hardly 15 minutes you can finish. Considering there are many word problems, I am telling you 15 to 20 minutes is more than enough. So how many minutes over? 40 minutes, 3 lessons. Fourth lesson, very important, quadratic equations. I know you are breaking your head because of those word problems, but trust me, they are all very easy. I have uploaded so many videos about how to get to know whether the question is from linear equation or quadratic equation, how to solve speed, distance, time related questions, how to solve work related questions, how to solve age related questions, and many more. Please go and watch all the videos in my channel on the quadratic equation chapter. You will become pro after watching all these videos. You will never have a fear of losing marks from quadratic equations. So what you need to study? Number 1, very important, solving a quadratic equation by a factorization method or a formula method. Both will be given. There will be an option to choose factorization or formula. So if you become thorough in one method, that's enough. Hardly it will take 5 minutes to become thorough in one method, formula method or factorization method. Number 2, you need to study questions on nature of roots. This is very important. You will definitely have a question on this topic. And number 3, those word problems. Again, I know you people are thinking headache is word problems only, but trust me, those are very interesting. You just need to give little time to this chapter. So let me give you 30 minutes. 30 minutes you will definitely finish the whole chapter, because you need not study much about the formula, method or nature of roots. These two concepts are very very simple. You just need to give more time to those word problems, right? That's why take 30 minutes and finish it off. Next lesson is arithmetic progression. Three things are very important: questions on nth term and questions about sum of terms. Definitely question is going to come from here only. And the third topic is again those word problems. You need to give time to these word problems, so you can approximately finish this lesson between 15 to 20 minutes. So I am giving you half an hour time. 30 minutes you people can sit with this lesson. You will be able to finish this. Excited? Let's move on to the next. Oh, next lesson is coordinate geometry. It's so easy, man. Damn easy. You can finish it within 10 minutes. What you need to study in this lesson? Coordinate geometry. There is nothing much to study in this lesson, so you can save a lot of time here and you can put this time into some other tough chapter. What you need to study? Distance formula, section formula. Question on these two. That's it. Nothing else. 10 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes is more than enough. Trust me, 10 minutes is more than enough. Let's go to the next lesson. Oh, triangle, big headache now. This is very big chapter, very tedious chapter, very difficult chapter. And sir, believe me, I don't know how to solve these proof type of questions. I struggle like anything in this. Don't worry, theorems are there, right? 5 theorems you have. Out of the 5, one is definitely going to come as a bonus to you. So learn all those theorems. Now coming to those proof type of questions, become a master in them. How you become a master in something? You should never lose a hope, and you should keep doing them again and again, again and again, again and again. Repeat until it goes permanently into your long-term memory. So triangles is not bigger than you. You are bigger than triangles. So you can beat triangles. It is possible. There are so many students out there who have mastered this chapter. It's just a matter of how much time you give, how much confidence you have, how much enthusiasm you have to conquer this chapter. That's what matters. So what to study in triangles? We have a BPT, converse of BPT, then we have AAA, SSS, SAS. 5 theorems, prepare them properly, revise them again and again. You will be able to finish these theorems in just around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, another 40 minutes, like totally you can give 1 hour time to this chapter. Give 1 hour, not a problem. Another 40 minutes, take up all those proof type of questions and solve them. Definitely become very very confident in this chapter, and it is my guarantee that you will not lose a marks from this chapter. Next chapter, circles. So again there are 2 theorems, out of which one is going to definitely come. Other than that, proof type of questions. So give a time to this chapter also, like 30 minutes you can completely give. 30 minutes you can just give. 30 minutes. It's a lot of time for this chapter. Next lesson, trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry and applications of trigonometry. Together you can give 1 hour, 30 minutes to introduction to trigonometry, 30 minutes to applications of trigonometry. You will be able to master these 2 chapters in just 1 hour. Coming to applications of trigonometry, there are different type of questions: angle of elevation, angle of depression, combination of elevation as well as depression also. Just see some previous 5 years question papers. You will get a clear idea on what type of questions you need to work. But 1 hour for both the chapters, enough. Let's go to the next lesson. Here is a lesson, areas related to circles. Boom, practice only those questions which are figure based. They will give you figure and they will shade some region, ask you to find the area of shaded region. Now, don't think they may ask only area of shaded region. They may also ask you area of unshaded region, just to confuse you, right? Question can be anything. You should be very very good in reading the question before you put a pen on a paper to answer it. Correct? This chapter you can give, okay, 15 minutes time, 15 to 20 minutes time is more than enough for this chapter. Bingo. Next lesson, surface area and volumes. Oh my god, such a big chapter this is. But trust me students, there cannot be a chapter easier than this. You just need to remember those formulae and you have to come up with your own idea to remember. Correct? Everyone will have their own style to remember something. I have different style to remember formulae. Some students will have a different style. You also have a different style. So use that style and remember the formulae. And one thing which troubles you in this chapter is calculation part, like how to multiply those decimals, correct? And how to multiply the fractions, how to add the fractions. These things will trouble you. You will become very very comfortable in the calculation part only if you work on questions more and more. That's the only way you can become comfortable, or else you'll definitely have that irritating kind of attitude and you will carry the same attitude to the examination hall. Maybe the question might have been very very easy in the question paper, but you may leave it and come, or while solving, while calculating, because of your irritation, You may do some blunders, some mistakes, because of which you may lose the marks. So don't get irritated while solving any question, because it is your duty that these 3 hours in the examination hall, you will be completely dedicated, you will be completely patient. How many years you have studied to write this one exam? 3 hours exam, board exam, 10th standard. Do you know, you may say, sir, 1 year. No, don't consider only the 10th standard. From your nursery, the journey has started actually. You have forgotten. But you need to remember that from nursery, your journey has started. And to write this one exam for about 3 hours, you have studied almost 11 to 12 years. Have you ever thought about it? You should think all this. That's why seriousness in the exam hall should be 1000%. It should be 1000%. Patience in the exam hall should be 1000%. Seriousness and patience. This combination is going to give you all the success. It is going to make you the topper. Believe me. Okay, anyway, let's move on and see the next chapter. So now these are the last 2 chapters which I'm going to talk about. Statistics and probability. There is a smile on your face. Probability is easy, sir, but statistics, again, that calculation part is troubling us. Again, I'm telling you, only way to become perfect in anything is practice, 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 practice. You need to be a boxer. Do it again and again, again and again. Repeat it. That's what we did when we were in school. That's what your parents have done when they were in school. Whenever things go tough, only way to come out, only way to make them easy is sit, give a work to pen and paper, sit harder, work again and again until and unless you become a master in that particular chapter or in that particular question. You should never think about anything. Sacrifice everything until you become a master if you want to achieve anything in your life in the future. This applies to your life. It is not only the 10th standard or 12th standard. Agree? Okay, what to study in statistics? You all know mean, median, mode, mean, median, mode, mean, median, mode. You can make a rap on this, man. Come on, you. So mean, median, these concepts are very easy. Just it's a matter of patience to solve that complete question and get that right answer. One hack is here. If you go wrong little also in between, then you are gone. You will lose complete mark. So while solving question from this chapter, you need to be very, very careful. You need to have that alertness, proper alertness. Correct? Now probability, very simple, but I'm telling you the questions are going to come from tossing a coin. You have to toss a coin. Don't just toss once and get away from there. You need to toss coin twice, toss coin thrice. I mean to say practice the questions on tossing coin twice and thrice. And very important, cards. You play cards? If you are playing, it's not good. I don't recommend it. No need to play cards to solve questions on cards and probability. You just need to sit and practice questions on cards. Have a knowledge about the cards so that you can solve a question. Don't play cards. Again comes dice. You have to throw dice. Don't sit and play again. You need to practice the questions on throwing the dice once and twice. Both are very, very important. So that's it. These 2 chapters, you can give 20 minutes, 10 minutes to statistics, 10 minutes to probability. If you want, you can give 15 minutes to statistics, 15 minutes to probability. Hope we have covered all the chapters. And if you sit and calculate the time, what I have told, if you want, you can increase your time around 5-10 minutes more according to what is your capability and how much you have studied in the previous days, all that. But the whole textbook can be covered in maximum 5 to 6 hours, even if you have not studied anything till now. Those who have studied mathematics properly, those who want to practice some lessons more, for them it's just a task of 2 to 3 hours. Correct? So this video I made just to boost your confidence that what you are thinking about this subject, like you have not studied, you may fail, or this subject is very tough, nothing like that. Believe me, this is the easiest subject, and this is the subject where you can score out of out. Definitely, if you become serious now also, you have high chance of scoring out of out in these subjects. It's totally easy. So I wish you good luck. Share this video to all your friends. Let them also get to know how easy it is to finish the portion. Even now also, no need to get scared, no need to get demotivated. Always be motivated, have that positive thinking always, and you will do wonders. This is my faith on you people. I expect you to be courageous always and more confident always. Confident is the key to success, whether it is examination or it is a life. Now to sit here and make this video also, confidence is the key. Without that, a person cannot do anything. Anyone, anybody can't do anything. So have that confidence, have a faith on God, have faith on yourself. I am there with you in this journey till the end. Any doubt, any question in your mind, you can reach out to me on Insta, and there is a Telegram channel link also is being put under the description. Please comment below this video how you felt after watching this video. Do you think whatever I have spoken here is possible task, or you think it is not possible task? If you think it is possible, definitely it is possible. If you think it is not possible, definitely it is not possible, because what you think, that matters. Correct? Here I am signing off. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Share this video. Subscribe to my channel. I am going to come up with more and more stuffs, and I will be there in this journey with you people. No need to get scared. Santosh sir is here. Bye bye.